everybody, Beer Money here at the Mac Trailer Winter Nationals in Louisville, Kentucky. I have Jeff Hurt here with Little Bear, and he also has Running Bear, which is way over there. But have you pulled here before, Jeff?
We did. We pulled here last year. They did a great job. We pulled the opposite direction last year. They're going to turn it back around like the farm show for this year. It'll be interesting. It's really cool to have the minis in here. It's been a lot of years since the minis have pulled in Freedom Hall. Oh. But just honored to be part of this and this great Mac Trailers event that they put together.
Awesome. Any words for your fans?
Just wish us luck. We'll need it with this great crew.
All right. You guys got anything to say?
Don't give up. Follow your goal. And if you work hard to complete it, you can complete it as long as you put your heart to it.
Awesome. Thank you, guys. Hello, everybody. I am here with Chris Wood, the driver of the Class Act Semi. Have you pulled here last year?
Yeah, we were down last year for the first year.
Awesome. What'd you think of the event?
It was a little different. First time pulling indoors, so it was a little stressful.
All right. And any words or advice for your fans?
Well, hopefully everybody gets on down to Louisville, Kentucky. The show starts at 5.
Awesome. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
We're here at the Mac Trailer Winter Nationals with Ryan DeBrew with Playing with Fire. And have you pulled here before?
Yeah, last year we were here.
Awesome. And what'd you think of the event?
It's pretty cool. I wouldn't lie. You know, when they tell us they're going to take about 100 feet off of our length, and if we were pulling outdoors, whatever, it's just going to hit harder, right? But there's something to be said about taking 100 feet off of your length and watching a 10-foot wall come up to you.
I bet that's scary.
It has my undivided attention.
No, I bet it does. All right, and would you come back here in the future?
Yeah, this place is awesome. It's fun pulling here. The track is great. They have the systems figured out, how to make a good track, how to make it safe. And there's just a ton of people here at the truck show, and it's a lot of fun. Awesome.
And any advice or words for your fans?
Wear comfortable shoes. There's lots of walking here. This place is huge. But no, it's great. It's fun to be back here. Mac Trailers, thanks for putting this on. This is a super cool event. Last year they gave all the proceeds away to make a Wounded Warrior last year. And this year, all profits are going to go to Make-A-Wish. Make-A-Wish is a great organization. My member of my family utilized it 20 years ago, and it was a pretty cool thing. And they're, you know, what they do for those families, it's pretty awesome.
That it is.
Thanks for checking it out. Playing with Fire Playing with Fire Semi-Pulling, and on Facebook, if you search that, give it a thumbs up, and you'll get new videos every week of what we're up to. But it's great to be here. We're about to have a lot of fun tomorrow night.
Awesome. Thank you, Ryan.
Thanks.
Thank you. Here in Broadbent Arena at the Mac Trailer Winter Nationals here in Louisville, Kentucky. And here we have Patrick Gentry, one of the drivers of the Riverbat with the Masterson Pulling team. What does it mean to be here at the Mac Trailer Winter Nationals?
Well, it's pretty dang awesome. Here we are, wintertime pulling. Just got done having a phenomenal run at the Louisville Farm Machinery Show with the Rat. Kevin, just fantastic job. Looking forward to hopefully he has a repeat. And such a great opportunity that Mike Connie, the whole group here at Matt's, to have a tractor pull here at Louisville again with the background, the history of this place. It's going to be a fun weekend. Just honored to be here with so many great competitors from the U.S. to be invited here. Means a lot.
Means a lot. And anything you would like to say to your fans?
Just, hey, if you're not here supporting Make-A-Wish and the Mac Nationals, live stream it. Follow Beer Money.
Hey, shameless
come out
plug.
to local pulls throughout the summer. Every, little county fairs that have just antique mom and pop tractors up to these pro stocks. Anything you can do to support local charities is where we need to be to grow pulling.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Patrick. Have a good day.
You too.